Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something a little bit different for you, but honestly it's something I'm quite excited about. Smartwings sent over their motorised Roman shades for me to test in my bedroom, and after living with these for the past few weeks I've got quite a lot to say. Now if you've been following the channel, you'll know that I've reviewed their cellular shades a while back, and I was genuinely impressed with what they delivered for the price point. But Roman shades are a whole different ballgame. These are meant to bring that classic, elegant look while still packing all the smart home tech we've come to expect in 2026. So let's dive in and see if Smartwings can pull off some magic with their Roman shade range. Before we get into the nitty gritty, let me explain quickly what Roman shades actually are for those who might not be familiar. Unlike roller shades that roll up into a tube at the top, Roman shades fold into these beautiful horizontal pleats as they raise. Think of them as the sophisticated cousin of your standard blinds. They've got that tailored, almost furniture-like quality that makes them popular in bedrooms, living rooms and dining areas. The traditional problem with Roman shades has always been their bulk and complexity. You do need cords or chains to operate them, and they can be fiddly, and honestly, they're not exactly child safe. So motorising them makes a lot of sense, but it also adds complexity, weight and cost. And the question is, does Smartwings justify that extra investment? Right, so these arrived in pretty substantial packaging. I mean, we're talking custom-made window coverings here, so they're not exactly throwing them in a padded envelope. Everything was well protected, which is reassuring when you're dealing with fabric and motors. Inside the box, you get the shade itself and a comprehensive user manual, USB Type-C charging cable, installation brackets, screws and the remote control. Smartwings includes everything you need, which is great because there's nothing worse than getting halfway through installation and then realising that you need to pop down to the DIY store. So first impressions of the shade itself, the fabric quality immediately stands out. I went with one of their blackout options for the bedroom, and the material feels substantial. It's not some flimsy fabric that's going to deteriorate in 6 months. It's got a bit of weight to it and texture, and honestly it looks expensive. The stitching is clean, the pleats are perfectly aligned, and there's this valance at the top that hides the mechanism beautifully. The motor housing is integrated into the headrail, and Smartwings has done a solid job of making it feel as discreet as possible. You're not looking at some chunky motor bolted onto the side. It's sleek, clean, and when mounted you barely notice the mechanical bits. So let's talk about the fabric range, because this is where Smartwings really gives you options. They offer 4 main collections for their Roman shades. You've got Clio, Astria, Iris and their newest Daphne linen collection. The Clio range gives you about 60% light filtering, so you get privacy but still have natural light coming through during the day. It's got a woven texture with a really nice interplay of light and dark threads. Astria and Iris are both 100% blackout options, ideal for the bedroom or any dark areas. The Iris fabric has its refined grid-like pattern with a tactile, almost natural fibre feel, while Astria has these subtle horizontal lines that create depth. Then there's Daphne, which we have here, which is their premium linen collection, offering 50%, 70% or 100% blackout options. This stuff feels luxurious. We're talking proper linen texture, available in multiple different colours, and it genuinely elevates the aesthetics. All fabrics are eco-friendly, which is a nice touch in 2026 when we're all trying to be a bit more conscious about what we bring into our homes. They also claim UV protection and energy efficiency benefits, which I'll touch upon later. The made-to-measure aspect is crucial here. You input your window dimensions on their website, choose inside or outside mount, select your fabric, pick your motor type, and then they custom make it to your exact specifications. There's no cutting, no adjusting, it just is a perfect fit. So for installation is where I was expecting some frustration, but honestly, Smartwings made it super easy and straightforward. First of all, the measuring, which is also very critical. I followed their instructions to the letter, measuring my window opening 3 times to make absolutely sure. For the inside mount, you need to account for about ½ an inch deduction for the shade width to fit properly. They provide really clear guidance on this, and I really did appreciate that. Once your custom shade arrives, installation is genuinely simple. They provide a large piece of card that is the same dimensions of your unit that you can use to set your pilot holes into the wall. Once you have them done, you get brackets that mount to the top of your window frame or wall, depending on whether you're doing inside or outside mount. How many brackets that you get with the unit depends on the length of your unit. In my case, I received 4. There's 4 screws per bracket, you get them level and you're mostly done. The whole unit then slots into the protruding bolts from a bracket and secures in via the thumb screws. Get them all in and tightened up and that's it. There's no wiring, there's no complicated setup, and the whole process took me about 20 minutes. Ideal if you're not even familiar with DIY. The cordless design is brilliant from a safety perspective. If you've got kids or pets, you know the dangers of traditional blind cords. Smartwings has completely eliminated that risk. Now this is where things get interesting because Smartwings offers multiple different motor options for your blinds, and your choice here determines how the shade integrates with your smart home setup. They offer Zigbee motors, Z-Wave motors and their flagship Matter over Thread motor. I went with a Matter motor and I'll explain why. Matter is the new universal smart home standard that Apple, Google, Amazon and Samsung have all gotten behind. It's designed to make your smart home devices talk to each other regardless of brand. The Thread protocol is specifically a low-power mesh network that's more reliable and faster than older systems. What this means in practical terms is that my Roman Shade works natively with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Home and Samsung SmartThings, all without needing separate hubs or bridges. I just added it to my home app on my phone and boom, it was there. If you've already invested in a different ecosystem, the Zigbee motors work directly with certain Alexa devices and can integrate with SmartThings, Home Assistant and Hubitat through their respective hubs. The Z-Wave option is there for those deeper into the Z-Wave ecosystem. The multi-channel remote is also included, which can control up to 15 shades simultaneously. You can do group control or individual control, which is perfect if you're kitting out multiple rooms. Alright, so what's it like actually living with these day to day? The motor is impressively quiet. I mean, you can hear it, but it's a gentle hum rather than the grinding noise that you might expect from motorised window coverings. It's super smooth and it's refined, and it doesn't wake you up if you set them to open at sunrise. Speaking of which, the automation features are excellent. Through the Home app, I've set these to automatically close at sunset and open at sunrise. It's one of those things that seems trivial until you have it. And then you wonder how you ever lived without it. Coming home to a house that's already adjusted its blinds based on the time of day just feels like living in the future. The app control is responsive, there's no lag, and there's no constant disconnections. When I tell it to close, it closes. When I ask Siri to open it 50%, it goes 50%. The positioning control is accurate, which isn't always the case with motorised shades. Scene control is where this gets really fun. I've set up a movie mode scene that dims my lights and closes the blinds simultaneously. Good Morning opens the blinds and starts my coffee maker. These are quality of life improvements that smart home tech should be delivering, and Smartwings has implemented them properly. The battery life claims is about 4 to 6 months on a full charge, and I'm currently at 3 weeks with about 75% battery remaining according to the app. I use them multiple times daily, so that projection seems realistic. Charging is via USB Type-C, which is convenient, and they also offer a solar panel option if you want to go fully hands-off. Let's talk about performance in terms of what these are actually meant to do. Control lights and provide privacy. The 100% blackout fabric I chose genuinely blocks out light. I'm talking full, proper darkness during the day. When my shades are fully closed, my bedroom is dark enough to sleep comfortably. There's no light leaking around the edges and there's no gaps in the pleats. When they say blackout, they genuinely mean it. The pleating system maintains its shape beautifully, and after 3 weeks of daily use, there's no sagging, no misalignment, and the folds are still crisp and even. And this is important because with traditional Roman shades, you sometimes get that droopy look after a while. These maintain their structure. Privacy is completely absolute. You cannot see through these when they're closed, which is exactly what you want for a bedroom. The energy efficiency angle is harder to quantify without specific measuring equipment, but the insulating properties of the fabric are noticeable. The room feels more temperature stable with these installed. In the winter, they're keeping the heat in, and in the summer, they'll keep the heat out. It's subtle, but it's definitely there. Build quality is something I always pay attention to on this channel because anyone can make something that works well for a month. The question is, will it work well in a year or in 5 years? The fabric feels durable, it's not going to wear through or fade quickly, and the motor mechanism has this reassuring solidity to it. Nothing feels cheap or flimsy. Smartwings backs these units with a 3-year warranty on motors and control, which suggests confidence in their longevity. That's a decent warranty period for smart home products. The brackets are solid metal, not plastic, which is a good sign too. The mounting points feel secure, and I'm not worried about this coming down under its own weight. Since I reviewed their cellular shades previously, I want to touch on the comparison. Cellular shades are all about energy efficiency with their honeycomb structure. They're lightweight and provide excellent insulation, and have that clean, modern look. They're fantastic for their purpose. Roman shades bring that classic, elegant look. They're more substantial, more decorative. When raised, they stack up at the top, which does obstruct more of your window than cellular shades would. You trade in some functionality for aesthetics. In terms of smart features, they're identical. Same motor options, same integration, same app control. My take, if you want that traditional tailored look and you're willing to sacrifice a bit of window space when they're raised, then Roman shades are the way to go. If you prioritise energy efficiency and maximum window exposure, then I'd probably opt for something like the cellular shades. So let's finally address the elephant in the room, and that's pricing. The Roman shades start at around £169 for the Clio Light filtering option, and then go up to about £219 for a premium Daphne linen collection. That's for custom-made motorised smart home integrated window coverings. Obviously it's going to go up depending on how big your blinds are as well. Is that expensive? In absolute terms, yes, but in relative terms, not really. Traditional Roman shades from a decent retailer without motorisation can easily run you £100 to £150. Add in professional motorisation, you're looking at hundreds more. Then factor in smart home integration and you're well into the £300–400 range. Smartwings is delivering all of that for significantly less, and you're getting custom sizing included in that price. Free shipping worldwide and no hidden fees with everything included. The value proposition is solid, and you're getting quality fabric, reliable motors and genuine smart home integration with professional results without professional installation costs. Of course, no review is complete without addressing the negatives, so let's be honest about where these fall short. First, the stack height when raised. Roman shades take up more space at the top of your window when fully open compared to roller shades. If you have limited head height or really value that full window exposure, this might actually bother you. Secondly, they're not ideal for high moisture environments. These are fabric, so bathrooms with poor ventilation aren't the best application. Smartwings doesn't explicitly market these for bathrooms, so this isn't really a fault, but it's worth noting. And then third, they require a certain minimum window depth for inside mounting. If you've got really shallow window frames, you might be forced into an outside mount, which isn't as clean looking. And then the fourth is that while the Matter motor is fantastic if you're in the Apple, Google, Amazon ecosystem, if you're using something more niche, you'll need to make sure compatibility exists. The Zigbee option gives you more flexibility here, but it's still worth checking. And then finally, the initial setup in your smart home app requires a bit of patience, scanning QR codes, pairing, naming and assigning to rooms. It's not difficult, but it's not instant either. So who are these for? Who should buy these? If you value aesthetics and want that traditional elegant window covering look, these are excellent. If you're already invested in smart home tech and want your window coverings to be part of our ecosystem, absolutely. If you're kitting out a bedroom or living space where light control and privacy are priorities, these also deliver. They're also great for anyone with mobility issues. Being able to control your blinds from your phone or via voice command is genuinely life-changing for some people. If you're on a tight budget, these might be a bit of a stretch. But if you need something for a bathroom or high moisture environment, I would genuinely look elsewhere. If you want absolute minimalism, then roller shades are probably better suited. Right, so my final thoughts. Smartwings has delivered another solid product here. The Roman shades combine traditional aesthetics with modern smart home functionality, and they do it at a price point that's genuinely competitive. The fabric quality is excellent, the motor is quiet and reliable, and the smart home integration works properly, and the customization options mean you can get exactly what you need for your specific windows. Are they perfect? No, the stack height when raised won't suit everyone, and they're definitely a considered purchase rather than an impulse buy. But for what they are, they're very, very good. I'm genuinely impressed with these. They've replaced my old manual Roman shades in the bedroom, and I don't see myself going back. The convenience of automation, quality of light blocking, and the integration with my existing smart home setup, it all just works. If you're in the market for smart Roman shades, Smartwings should absolutely be on your shortlist. They're offering professional quality results at a price that won't require remortgaging your home. I'll leave links to Smartwings in the description below, and I'll try and put some discount codes if I can get access to any as well. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments if you've got any questions about these shades or smart home products in general. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.